Hello, students. How are you all? I know you all have enjoyed Ganpati festival. Even I have enjoyed the festival. Okay, now, children, if you remember, I told you something about animals before the festival. Today, we are going to take more information about animals. Are you ready for that? Let us go for it. Okay, so children, see, I told you that animals are of different sizes. Animals can be seen everywhere. We can see animals on land, on trees, and in water. Today, we are going to discuss more about animals in lesson number 5. Animals are divided into 3 categories according to their behavior. Some animals are harmful, which means we cannot go near them. We find some animals only in the jungle. They cannot be seen outside the jungle. They are known as wild animals. Let us see some wild animals. Fox and wolf are wild animals. Animals like tiger, lion, zebra, and bear are also wild animals. Some animals are living in our house with us. They are loving and caring. We enjoy playing with them. They are known as pet animals. Dogs that live in the jungle are wild dogs and are harmful. But dogs that live in our house with us are pet dogs. They never harm us. Even babies can be safe with them. They take good care of our family. Now you can see lovebirds on the screen. Lovebirds are pet animals. These birds are colorful and beautiful. I know, children, you all love to see cats. Cats are pets. They stay in our house comfortably. We love to play with a cat. And when we keep fish in a fish bowl or in an aquarium inside our house, it is known as a pet animal. We love to see fish swimming in water. Do you know, when you feel upset, you can sit near the aquarium. Definitely you will feel happy. Now, children, some animals live with us, but not inside our house. They can be kept in farms. They help us in many ways. They are known as farm animals. Okay, let us see some farm animals one by one. Now, see, children, we get wool from sheep. We get milk from some farm animals like the cows and the buffaloes. In some village areas, people even use goat milk. Do you know, children? In desert areas like Dubai and Saudi Arabia, camel milk is used. In India, we can get camel milk in Rajasthan. People don't get cow milk over there. So, they drink camel milk. We get food like eggs and meat from farm animals. Now, see children, as you all know, we eat fish. So, fish farming is done near the beach. We get eggs from hens and ducks. In India, mainly eggs of ducks and hens are eaten. We get meat from some animals like pig, hen, and goat. Farm animals help us to carry heavy loads. Animals like donkey and camel carry heavy loads. You must have seen donkey carrying load on its back. They are farm animals. We ride some animals like horse and camel. Do you know? Camel is known as the ship of desert because it helps us to travel from one place to other in the desert area. Some farm animals like bulls and ox help farmers to plow their field. So here we have finished our science lesson number 5. Children, we learned that animals are divided into 3 categories: wild, pet, and farm. Wild animals are harmful. Pets are loving. And farm animals are helpful. We get food like milk, eggs, and meat from farm animals. They help us to carry load and to travel from one place to other. So children, this is all for today. We will meet in the next session, and till that time, stay safe, stay home. Goodbye children.